beautiful soul. Today we are here for a new beauty device I've received for free to show you. All I've been asked is just an unboxing video and just to show you the product. I have never tried the product yet, so we will do just let me take away my hair. Yes, they are wet, still wet. I was saying that we will try the product together, and I have some instruction here on my phone. So this is from Carrier Sparks, and it cost about $80. It's a skin sonic vibrating machine. I think it's a midway between the Foreo Luna, Foreo UFO and Foreo Beer, because I have seen on the website that you can apply, you can clean your face, you can apply a mask, you can massage your face. So we will try everything together. This is the box, quite compact. A very easy and simple box. This is plastic, and in the box you will find the device. It's quite small, and then you will find the cable, the charging cable. This is I think, okay, let's open. You have, yes, an USB with this side for the device, a few plastic rings. We will see later why, and the instructions are in different language. No, they are all in English. Yes, they are all in English. And you know all the condas. Okay, you have 4 different function, and we will see each function, each step together. The first one is the clean export mode. So I hope this is charged. I didn't charge it, and also I haven't tried it yet. So you have some plastic in here that I guess you can remove. Okay, and you have just the power on off, the menu, and the temperature, because this is a hot and cold. So first one, you can just turn on yes, and as okay, it already started, and this is the intensity. So you can see this is the clean mode. Then you can go to the menu and move to the ice press. So this is becoming cold. But I guess there is something I should remove somewhere here. Yes. So let me turn the device off, and just let me try to remove this plastic cover. Okay, I managed to remove the plastic, the plastic sheet from this side. So just turn it on again. Okay, so you have the clean mode, the ice mode, the whitening mode. I'm not sure if you can actually read what is written, and then the mask mode. So you can also decide to turn on and off the vibration. This is a stronger vibration. This is just a very light vibration. You see, just with the menu, the on off button, and with the temperature one, you can maybe not in this mode, but in any other, the whitening mode, you can, yes, you can increase the temperature, you see. Yes, so that's maybe also here. So let me turn off for a second the machine, the device, and the step 1 says that this is the cleaning mode. So what you have to do, you can apply a cotton pad, a clean cotton pad with this ring. That's why you have this one. I think maybe this one it's a little bit too thick, but we will try. So let's try to stick this one on the device. Okay, my clean cotton pads are very thick because these are not for these are thought for babies. Oh well, I do not have any cleansing water now, but I will use some toner. This is the toning lotion from Naturale Antica Erboristeria. It's a very good one for me. So let's try to stick it back again. Okay, and we will turn on the device and just apply. I have the temperature at first and the vibration, the eye vibration on, and I will just move around my face. The device is getting hot, not very hot, but you can see some warmth on your face. This is like yeah, okay, the Luna is not doing anything similar. This is something you can have the hot and cold sensation on your skin you have with the Foreo UFO. The sonic vibration are not very high, but I mean this cotton pad is very thick, so we will see in the next step. My face was clean. Okay, so my face was clean. I was saying before the battery died, but look, it's yellowy, it's dirty, yeah. And this is the device. I will just clean with the pad the metallic part. Step 2, ice packed water locking mode. Apply the essence evenly on the face and then operate with the instrument. So I will go and pick up a serum and be back. Okay, I thought we can try this revitalizing lotion from Zoe. This is a royal potion, brightening, anti-pollution and stressor protecting without any alcohol for natural skin. I have tried this for a few days, then I stopped. I do not remember why. So I will just pour some of this product on my hand, just applying it on my face this way, and then let me just clean my hand, go back to the device. Okay, move to ice press, and oh, it's very cold. This is nice. This is very nice. Oh, it's very pleasant. I think under the eye. Okay, sonic vibration. Let me see what they are saying. Long press after cleaning. Apply skincare product to each part of the face in a circular motion and gently pat. Instant cooling stimulate the skin to shrink pores and lock moisture and essence. This is very pleasant. Very pleasant. Okay, this step is 103 minutes, 186 seconds, and it should stop automatically. I don't know if it will. Let me see. We are 1 minute and 35. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, I will go ahead for 3 minutes and be back. Okay, 3 minutes ended. So this stopped doing anything and just beeping to let you know that the time is up. Then you have to turn on again skin whitening mode. So let's turn on again the device. I think I haven't understand how long I should keep. Okay, skin whitening mode is 300 seconds, so it's quite long, and it operates alternating hot and cold. So you have, oh, it's very hot, and the temperature is at the first step. System set the nursing time to 300 seconds, positive ion and hot compression and ultrasonic frequency for 60 seconds, then negative ions and ice compression and ultrasonic frequency for 90 seconds, and this will go ahead for 300 seconds. So we will see it still hot. It's very hot, actually. It's really hot at the first temperature step, and this should okay, it beeped, so now it's becoming cold. Yes, very nice. You can move slowly or pat the skin with a loop or use a custom method. Okay, I'm doing something and instantaneous ice compression and hot compression can effectively stimulate the skin blood circulation, prevent eye bags and dark cycles, increase skin elasticity, anti-wrinkle whitening. Not sure why it should be whitening. I can understand that changing from hot to cold will increase the elasticity of the skin and will stimulate the circulation of the blood, but not sure why it's whitening. While step 2 was saying that the cool stimulation shrink pores and lock moisture and essence. Ice compress can effectively, sorry, I do not know this word, kitten skin and fine pore. While step 1 with the hot compression open pores, ultrasound shock the dirt in the pores, and magnetic field by positive ion absorbs the dirt to make skin get affected to the okay. So that now it's becoming hot again. I will go ahead up to the end of the step and be back. This will be a long video. Okay, last step is for the mask, and this is the same, let me say, not sure the same, it's the similar function of the Foreo UFO, but you need to apply for Foreo UFO a Foreo mask. Actually, I did not. I'm doing something similar also with the Foreo UFO. However, I will put a sheet face mask on my skin. This is the Face D Fast Hydrating Exfoliating Mask. So let's open this up and apply it onto my face. Okay, let's open it. Come on. Okay, so okay, here we are. Oh, this is huge actually. It's very big. Okay, so here we are. We can just clean our hands, and okay, then we have to go to mask, and this is a hot where are you? Hot vibrating step lasting 150 seconds, so it's not so long actually. And okay, you have 60 seconds with the hot to open pores, and then 90 seconds with the ice effect, the cold one. But I think you can do this step twice, because 150 seconds is a very small amount of time for the sheet mask. So I think okay, I'm comparing this one to the Foreo UFO because it's a similar device that I know because I have it. And also with the Foreo UFO, if I have time, I'm doing also twice or 3 times in a run, in a row, not in a run, in a row, sorry. But I think with such a big mask like this one, this is a very huge, you need to do this step twice. Okay, 4 steps are a little bit long, maybe it's not easy to do every steps in the morning because you need a lot of time, but you can do the cleaning every morning, maybe the essence one also every morning, and then go ahead with the step 3 maybe in the evening. And the mask, I guess you can do the mask twice a week if you want, maybe 3 times a week, not more. So this is very pleasant. The cold effect is very pleasant. Let me say, this one is so nice. But you know it's very hot in Italy now, so this cold one. Okay, so this is stopped, but I will go again with this one and I'll be back later. Okay, so I did also the mask program of the device. I ran the program 3 times actually because it was very pleasant, and I feel my skin very tight now, very smooth. Okay, so I will go ahead using this beauty device for at least 2 weeks, maybe more, before coming back to you and giving you my final opinion. But for the first try, for the first shot, it was a nice it's a very nice device. I will link down below the website where you can find it, and also I will link I've been given a code for you, for a discount code, and also it will appear somewhere here. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please leave me a comment and subscribe to the family, and I'll be back as soon as I can. Bye guys.